Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we are going to be making this poop emoji purple slime into some rubber band slime. I got my jar of rubber bands that you saw in the video where I made this rubber band bracelet that I still have on. I actually went to school with this on and my teacher didn't really care. So today we're going to make it. So I'm going to wave up my table real quick just to make sure it's nice and clean before I start making the slime. So you just need to pop it open and get all the slime out. It's pretty stretchy and gooey and ooey and it's really fun. But the only problem with it's kind of plain. Even though it has the beads, they fall out all the time, literally. They never stop falling out. So today we're gonna add some more texture. And since it's see, look, one of the beads already fell out. So I'm planning on putting all the beads in this one or in this one, or maybe even this one. It's sticky, the beads fall out real easily. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video and, well, not really pause the video, but I'm gonna pick out all the beads, because they've gone through times. I think they had their time, so it's time for them to go. So I'm just picking out every single one of these beads. So there's a lot of beads in here, but we're gonna get through it. So I'm gonna pause the video real quick and then I'm gonna come back once I have every single one of the beads out of this slime. So I got almost every single one of the beads out except for one bead. So I'm just gonna feel and grab it, and it's a pink bead. Now all the beads came up relatively easily, but I still took them out just so that way it would be cleared, and then I could put these in a different slime and have some texture in one. So now, some sneaky little people in here. There are two more sneaky little bead friends that clearly kind of tried to escape. And there's another one of the bead friends. So, as you can see, there's a bead friend in the slime. Get out. Alright. Okay. I'm going to press it. Look and feel. Look and feel. Okay. You got every single one of the beads out. It's now just a normal purple, stretchy, glitter, sticky slime. We're going to put it into that. So, before it had, like, really cool beads for texture, they kept on falling out. I think time has come to add a new texture. So we're going to put in some rubber bands into this slime. So I'm not going to pick any purple ones because that would be too hard to see in the slime. So I'm just going to grab a little handful, about that many. There's some blues, pinks, oranges, greens, and I think that's good. I'm going to get rid of some. I'm going to place most of them in. I'm going to take out a little bit of them. Now we're going to press them firmly into the slime and fold the slime over the rubber bands to give the slime its texture. Rubber bands make the slime kind of stiff, but you can see them real clearly. Like, look, you can see those rubber bands, you can see those rubber bands, and the texture is so satisfying. Like, look, there's a little cluster of rubber bands right there. There's a lot of rubber bands in here. It makes it kind of hard to stretch, but that's okay because sometimes slimes are hard to stretch, but they're good stress relievers. There's like a whole cluster of rubber bands here, and they're like all stuck together in one big group. That's okay. This is an amazing slime now. It is a little hard to stretch and mold, but it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna put it back in the container that I put it in all the time. I feel like there's more slime in it than when I made it. I made this one a load of weeks ago, like during in December. It's like February, like it's like February now. I don't know. It's like February. I don't know what month it is. I feel like it's February. So I'm going to put the slime in this container. Now we're going to take this slime. This does not have any texture. I want some texture. So we're going to open up the slime. Ow. Bad lid. Lid poked me and it hurts. Alright, so we're going to take this slime. This slime is nice and stretchy. It's a little breaky, but not too bad. I'm not going to put as many beads in this one because it's super small. Like, look how small. All this can fit in this container. So we're just going to spread out the slime to make it almost like a pancake. And now we're going to place some of the beads. Now, this is like the same exact slime, except all the beads are starting to fall out. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm going to fit a couple more in here. Now, I'm going to fit the rest of these beads in the other slime that I have. Now I'm going to mix all the beads. I'm going to squeeze in a little more of the beads. I'm going to leave 4 for that one. Hey! You know what? I feel like sticky slime doesn't really hold beads as well as regular made slime, because this one is actually, it's holding on to the beads. None of them are starting to fall out. It's holding on pretty good. One of the beads fell out already. That's okay. Alright, so I saved 4 for the other one, which is actually the same exact one. Where did the 4th one go? 4th one. There you are. Found you. Can't run away from me that easily. So you're going to close the cap. Sorry, this is in front of your face. Okay, I'm going to take this slime. I'm going to unscrew it from its container. And then I'm going to take it out. It's very rippy and stretchy. Awesome slime. But I feel like it does need some texture. So we're going to add a little bit of texture using only 4 beads. So I'm going to put in 4 of these awesome looking beads. By the way, don't eat slime. So BTW, don't eat slime. By the way. Oh. Hint. BTW means by the way. Hey. It's holding on pretty good. There's some texture. Back on the container. And I have it in. Now I'm going to close it. If I can, I'm going to put Galaxy with Planets on both of these because they're the exact same slime. This one, I'm going to put in the Galaxy with the Milky Way, and the rubber bands are going to represent the Milky Way on this one. And then, yeah, the butter slime, and then the gemstone slime, and then the heat slime and this stuff. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below. See ya!